Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Now we're going to talk about the Nigerian Labour Congress disgraceful picketing of the Labour Party Secretariat. I think the Nigerian Labour Congress took its rascality to a new level by that action. The fact remains that Nigerian Labour Congress is a major stakeholder in the Labour Party in Nigeria. They are a major stakeholder. But that does not give it the right to picket a political party as if it is an employer of labor. The Labour Party is not an employer of Nigerian Labour Congress. The Labour Party agreed is the brainchild of the Nigerian Labour Congress, but it is autonomous. And even the Labour Party, the Nigerian Labour Congress, have not been sincere in showing support to the Labour Party. If the Nigerian Labour Congress had been sincere with Labour Party and supported it all these years, the Labour Party would have been up there before even Peter Obi get there. But it is because of the success that Peter Obi's presence in the Labour Party, that is why Labour Party has become a beautiful bride that Nigerian Labour Congress now want to exploit. And Nigerian Labour Congress is playing into the hands of the governing party, the APC and the Tinubu administration. Now they are using the Nigerian Labour Congress to destroy the Labour Party ahead of the 2027 presidential election. Because that's the only sensible thing I can make out of what is going on. Because I don't understand Nigerian Labour Congress. Nigerian Labour Congress, they were doing okay ahead of the 2023 presidential election. Excuse me. When they declared support for Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, they were very frontal about that. They declared support. Ayuba Waba, who was the president of NLC, they supported Peter Obi. They declared support for him. And the process continued until after the election. But when the election was rigged, the Nigerian Labour Congress was so quiet. They were expected to protest the Brazil rigging of that election, but they were quiet because a lot of people in the leadership of NLC are not even sincere. They operate like cash and carry politicians. Because if Nigerian Labour Congress had been serious about the Labour Party, things would have changed a long time ago, before Peter Obi even got the nomination to be the presidential candidate of the party, which is what has reinvigorated the Labour Party and brought it to the center of national and international attention. Because the way the Labour Party people, the Nigerian Labour Congress were, acting on at the National Secretariat of the Labour Party. If that is how they had been doing before, if they had shown serious support for Labour Party candidates, they would have gone far. But many of them have interest in PDP and APC. Many of the people in the leadership of the Labour Party, of the Nigerian Labour Congress, they are not even sincere in their support for the Labour Party. But because Peter Obi, and of course under the leadership of Abure, had made Labour Party a beautiful bride. That's why you see all this shenanigans going on about that the process that brought Abure was bad. So when did they notice that it was bad? Abure was with them. They were standing shoulder to shoulder with Abure before. When did they suddenly realize that the process that brought him was not right? When did they realize that? Because if the Nigerian Labour Congress had been serious in their support of Labour Party candidates, it would have shown in the past. For example, many of you don't know that in the 2019 presidential election, in which Muhammad Buhari, the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress, got 15 million votes, and Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party got 11 million votes or thereabout. The presidential candidate of Labour Party, Wan Mohammed, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, his name is Mohammed Zaki or something like that. Do you know what he got? About 5,014 votes. So Labour Party did not, Nigerian Labour Congress, with the number of people that are registered with that organization, their candidate, the candidate of their party, got only 5,000 votes, 5,014 votes or thereabout. You can see what happened when Peter Obi became their presidential candidate. And Peter Obi, but for the rigging, many Nigerians believe that he won that election. And that is what has emboldened all these NLC people. Now they see Abure, they feel that Abure is enjoying some largesse. Now there's so much accusations, corruption accusation, all kinds of accusation against Abure. Where were they when Labour Party was languishing in the wilderness until Peter Obi showed up and brought it to limelight? Now you see all kinds of people. Arabambi will come and talk his own. And all kinds of people. Because Labour Party had become viable. They have seen that Peter Obi was able to defeat the Nigerian system and show that a new Nigeria is possible with the Labour Party. Now, instead of solidifying around Abure, they have joined forces with the APC to destroy Labour Party under the guise of trying to sanitize it because of Abure. It is so sad what Nigeria Labour Congress is doing. I hope they get their senses back, because the direction they are going, they want to destroy that Labour Party. They want to destroy the Labour Party. And Labour Party, the way it is now, the live wire of Labour Party in Nigeria today is Peter Obi. If they do anything to antagonize Peter Obi and he leaves that party, Labour Party will return to where it was before, where it was in 2019, when their presidential candidates got only just about 5,014 votes. They better be careful what they are doing, just because they want to destroy one man, Abure. I'm not saying that Abure is a saint. He has to defend himself on all the allegations they are talking about. But why are they insisting that the National Convention should not take place? Why are they insisting that Abure must resign, even when the court has said that Abure is the chairman of the party? Why are they siding with the APC? Why are they siding with the APC that want to see the party that really showed them shege in the local balance in the election? And up to today, the APC is unsettled. That's why all their spokespeople, they're always attacking Peter Obi on a daily basis, because they know that this is the man whose mandate was stolen. And it was stolen under the platform of Labour Party. It's like the Labour Party, especially the Nigerian Labour Congress, don't know what they have in Labour Party until they lose it. Then they will go back to their 2019 era, when their candidate couldn't get up to 6,000 votes, not to be talk of winning an election. I think a word is enough for the wise. All these shenanigans should stop. They should allow Abure to transition in a normal process, so that when he's leaving, a new set of leaders will emerge, so that Labour Party will be the party that will bring the change that this country needs. It will be the party for the new Nigeria that all of us are waiting for. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.